There is a belief which is called long-termism. 1969 is the beginning of the story. Then, times change, and time flies. 1993. In order to adapt to the new industrial pattern, we put two Chinese terms, embracement of C and infinity of integrity, into our name. After more than 50 years of development, Hisense has grown into a global conglomerate with a multi-brand matrix. The revenue of 2022 reached RMB 183.5 billion, and the overseas revenue accounted for 41%. Hisense is stable, but also dare to be the first. In the 1990s, Hisense resolutely launched the diversification strategy to comprehensively engage in the diverse business of brown, white, and kitchen appliances. Hisense also has been developing in B2B areas. Hisense TransTech is a leading brand for China's intelligent transportation industry. Hisense Medical breaks the monopoly of foreign companies in the high-end medical equipment market. Hisense Broadband establishes a complete and independent optical communication industry chain. Hisense Commercial Display leads the industry with all-scenario smart applications. The road will get wider and wider as we always work hard and focus on professionalism. At the beginning of the 21st century, Hisense started the globalization strategy. The essence of globalization is localization. Therefore, we deepened our global layout. 66 overseas companies and offices, 23 R&D centers, 31 major production bases. Help us become more familiar with local life and culture. Integrate warmth and trust into hundreds of millions of families around the world quickly. Hisense has been rated as the top 10 Chinese brands that global consumers are most familiar with for 6 consecutive years. In Hisense, tech-driven development is not just a slogan. For more than half a century, Hisense has opened up a way for China's independent intellectual property rights at an average of more than 700 patents per year. Like the birth of China's first chip, the iterations of 8K resolution ratio quality chips, ULED, Mini LED, laser TVs, the vector frequency conversion technologies, the urban cloud brain clustering technologies. We insist advancing technologies and keep innovations. In Hisense, quality is ethics, and excellent quality is the basic standard. Those smart and precise technologies from Hisense's global high-end manufacturing plants are romantic on a human scale. At homes, in communities, and in cities, we provide all-around smart new life for global users. The height of a brand lies in its commitment to social responsibility. Hisense has been actively using the power of enterprise and technology to support environmental protection and public welfare. What is long-termism? It is to choose to be a friend of the time, to be honest, practical, and innovative. Finally, time will prove everything. Hisense, to build a century-old company and to become the most reliable brand in the world. Hisense.